If you want to unlock funding for your business and get grant ready, you need to know how to leverage business credit tools the right way. But here's the kicker. Most people miss out on this opportunity because they don't know where to start or what tools actually work. Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use business credit tools to not just build credit, but prepare your business for serious funding and grants without any affiliate links influencing my recommendations. Now, you've probably heard that business credit is important, but what most people don't tell you is that building a strong business credit profile is the first step to accessing grants and funding. This isn't something you can just breeze through. You need a strategy. The difference between getting denied for funding or grants and securing that check often comes down to how well you understand and use your business credit. So first, let's break down the biggest mistake most people make. They treat business credit like personal credit, but here's the thing. They're completely different. Business credit is about the company's reputation, not yours. That means you have to use business-specific tools and establish your business's identity in the financial world. For example, one key tool is a business credit card that reports to the business credit bureaus like Dun & Bradstreet. This is the kind of tool that gives your business the credibility it needs to be seen as a legitimate player in the eyes of lenders and grant providers. Now, here's something important that most people overlook when they're building business credit. You don't need to start with massive credit lines. Small credit lines, when handled properly, can set the stage for larger amounts later on. Using these smaller lines to build your history with the bureaus is one of the quickest ways to improve your score. But here's a pro tip. Only use a portion of your credit and pay it off early. Doing this will show lenders that you can handle credit responsibly without putting your business at risk. Now, once you've started building that credit profile, it's time to look at specialized tools. I'm talking about things like vendor credit lines, which may be one of the most underrated tools for building business credit. These are often easier to get, especially when your business is new, and they can be used to establish your credit history without much upfront cost. Many vendors don't require a personal guarantee, which means it won't affect your personal credit score, and they report directly to the business bureaus. And here's the key. Once you have this profile and these tools in place, you're in a much better position to qualify for grants and funding. Why? Because businesses that have established credit profiles are seen as more stable, and that's exactly what grant providers want to see. They want to know that you're responsible with your finances before they hand over any cash. Now, let me tell you about something that you absolutely have to keep in mind if you're looking to get serious about funding. Understanding the difference between secured and unsecured funding options. Secured funding requires collateral, and often, that collateral can be your business assets, like inventory or equipment. But unsecured funding doesn't require anything except your business credit profile. This is where your credit tools really come into play. When you've built up that strong profile, you can access unsecured credit lines, which opens up a whole new world of possibilities for funding your business growth without risking your assets. What you have to understand is that business credit tools aren't just about keeping your business afloat. They're about giving you the leverage you need to unlock serious capital and grant-ready status down the line. So, if you want to secure funding or grants, this is not something you can skip. You need to build a strong, reliable credit profile using the right tools and strategies. So, here's the most important thing to remember. If you've been watching this and thinking, "This sounds great, but I'm still not sure where to start," here's my recommendation. Start small, use vendor lines and business credit cards to build your profile, and make sure everything reports to the right bureaus. Once that's in place, you'll be amazed at how much more confident you'll feel applying for grants and funding. If you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm here to share content that's not influenced by affiliate commissions, just solid, no-nonsense advice to help you succeed.